Hi, I'm Gary with Taylor Adhesives, and today we're going to talk to you about selecting the proper tools when you're applying a roller applied adhesive, primer, or sealer. Most installers will go to the hardware store and pick up a simple roller. These rollers are designed for paint. You're working on a wall, and unfortunately what can happen is the rollers will actually gradually walk off, or in some cases start to disintegrate. At Taylor, we offer a cage roller, and what this does for you is it locks the roller cover in. And these roller covers are available both in microfiber and in woven. You can get them 3/8 inch thick or 1/2 inch thick. They have a PVC core so they don't disintegrate on you, and they lock in place so you don't have to worry about them falling off. We also have a deep oversized tray, which allows you to put a lot of material in there. Less times you're going back to fill up, it gets you off the job site much faster. In the long run, you're going to be much happier working with it. So remember, when you're applying a roller applied adhesive, a primer, or a sealer, pick up a Taylor roller system wherever Taylor adhesives are sold.